Here we go. This is the first job opening that we have. Uh, Someone is hiring for SOC L1, L2, L3. L1 required 2+ years of experience, L2 4+, and L3 is 5+ years of experience required. And this is Delhi-based job, immediate joining. v.tamanna@ trojanhuntindia.com is the mail ID on which you can apply. Make sure you have knowledge about Wazoo, then only do. Right. Now, next one is in Mumbai. 1 to 2 years of experience is required. Red teamer or pen testers role is there. So there was a lot of viewers, those who was looking for a red teaming job, right? So you can do from here, right? So just a minute. Yes. So 1 to 2 years of experience is required. Was top 10 red teaming activity. CTF knowledge तो चाहिए भाई. Hiring at redfoxsec.com is the mail ID on which you can apply, right? Now the next opening is basically as in Inspira. Okay, they want VAPT peoples, VAPT consultant, analysts. So here you can see they are looking in Hyderabad, and they are a couple of experience how much they want, right? So just check accordingly. This is a mail ID on which you can apply, right? Now next one is SOC Tier 1 engineer is the position. That's what someone is looking for. Alphats.net is the mail ID on which you can apply, right? Hybrid. This is an internship program. There's a lot of domain on which you can do cybersecurity as well, human resource management. This is the QR code that you need to scan to apply for this internship. Next one is QSAP security associate security consultant. Qualification is all those things. This is for freshers, right? So freshers can join. Sonal.sing@qsap.com is the mail ID on which you need to drop your resume, right? So that to get selected. Now that's all for today, guys. Now you can ask your question.